I've been watching Elon Musk for about a year now. He's a very unique person. I'm gonna give you his predictions for 2021. The first one is self-driving cars. He's saying that by 2021, by the end of 2021, there will be self-driving cars. And check this interview out.
You've spoken of people being able to buy a car, drops you off at work, and then you let it go and provide a sort of Uber-like service to other people, earn you money, maybe even cover the cost of your lease of that car.
Exactly.
So you can kind of get a car for free. Is that really likely?
Yeah, absolutely. This is what will happen.
And then his next prediction is satellite, internet satellite. And he's already been launching 60 satellites per month. And he's got a full crew of about 1,000 satellites in the sky right now. So in different states, there are already satellite internet in a few countries. So number three is they want to put another person on the moon. I know the Chinese did it last year, I think, and Elon wants to make it happen this year in 2021. And then you got prediction number four, the solar systems all over the world. You got them in South Australia and everywhere. So that was his prediction for four. Number five, right here, he didn't predicted it, but I think the world did, that he would become the richest man in the world by his 50th birthday. You see, right now, as I Googled today, he's $11 billion behind Jeff Bezos. So I'm thinking his birthday is in June. So I'm thinking by the end of this year or before his birthday, probably next month, he would become the richest man in the world. So I've invested in Tesla here this year, and I've made more in Tesla than I have on my regular job, just on stocks.
So I think colleges are basically for fun and to prove you can do your chores, but they're not for learning.
There it is.
So I'm gonna read this quote to you right here. If you're always at the head of the class, then you're in the wrong class. The best place to learn is always where others are ahead of you. So basically what they're saying, hire somebody that are smarter than you. So that's what these billionaires are doing.
Well, first of all, you don't need college to learn stuff, okay? Everything is available basically for free. You can learn anything you want for free.